and renovations over the centuries. It was transformed into a public museum during the French Revolution in 1793. Art collection. The Louvre houses an extensive and diverse collection of art spanning thousands of years and various cultures. Its collection includes iconic works such as the Mona Lisa by Leonardo da Vinci, the Venus de Milo, the Winged Victory of Samothrace, and the Code of Hammurabi. Architecture. The Louvre's architecture is a stunning blend of old and new. With its iconic glass pyramid entrance, designed by architect M.K. juxtaposed against the historic Louvre Palace. The museum's grand galleries and ornate ceilings add to its majestic ambience. Visitors. The Louvre attracts millions of visitors annually, making it one of the most visited museums in the world. Its vast collection appeals to art enthusiasts, history buffs, and tourists alike, offering something for everyone to admire and explore. Guided tours. The Louvre offers guided tours in multiple languages, providing visitors with insights into its collections, history, and significance. Guided tours can enhance the visitor experience by providing context and highlighting key artworks and artifacts. Special exhibitions. In addition to its permanent collection, the Louvre hosts temporary exhibitions, featuring works from its own collection as well as loans from other institutions. These exhibitions often focus on specific artists, periods, or themes, offering visitors a deeper dive into various aspects of art history. Visitor facilities. The Louvre provides visitor amenities such as cafes, restaurants, gift shops, and audio guides to enhance the visitor experience. Additionally, the museum offers accessibility services to ensure that all visitors can enjoy its collections comfortably. Visiting the Louvre is not only an opportunity to view world-renowned artworks, but also to immerse oneself in the rich tapestry of human creativity and cultural heritage. It's an experience that leaves a lasting impression on all who visit this iconic museum in the heart of Paris. Ready to transform your travel dreams with a sustainable digital income? Launch your digital business in a day with MRE courses. Scale effortlessly with New Beginning Success Tribes. Comprehensive resources.